Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego balisong. So first step is you're gonna need one of these little T pieces like this. You're gonna wanna take two of these blue 3-stud pieces, put one in the top like that, and one in the bottom like this. Then you're gonna wanna take a 5-stud piece and put it in right there like that. Next, you're going to want to take a 13-stud piece, put another blue one through here and through here. You're going to want to put it on this top two right here like that. You'll have a piece like this. You're going to want to take another 5-stud piece and put it in right there like that. Then you have this piece. Next, you're going to, whoops, I forgot about these. You're going to take tan or gray pieces and put them in like this, one like that, and the same on the other side, like this. You're going to want to take two 15-stud, 13-stud, and two blue pieces. You're going to want to put a blue piece on the top, blue piece on the bottom, and have it 1 stud away from the top like that. Then you're going to want to take this other 15 piece, 1 second, so you're going to attach this to this like that. Then you're going to take this other 15-stud piece, put it like that, and you have one of these. Then you're going to want to do the same for the other side. And then you have a Lego balisong. You can do most tricks, most easy ones, and that's pretty much it. There's also a very satisfying click. Thank you guys for watching.